We don't always learn love first. Some of us, we learned pain first. We learned it in our childhood environments. We learned it in our families, sometimes quietly, sometimes loudly. We learned it in friendships that betrayed us, and most certainly in adult relationships that left us broken in places no one could ever see. And the heartbreaking truth is, by the time we finally, truly, met something good, something genuinely loving, it felt foreign, it felt wrong, it felt, above all else, unsafe. Why? Because the pain had already taken the time to meticulously teach us how to survive. It taught us how to build walls, how to be hypervigilant, how to anticipate the next blow. But it never ever taught us how to be held. This conversation, this journal, the one titled Gathering My Pieces, Healing for Those Who Learned Pain Before Love, is for you, the one who carries the heavy, invisible armor of someone who knew pain long before they knew peace. There are countless pieces of you scattered throughout your history, lodged in moments you might not even consciously remember. Moments from your inner child where you chose silence because your voice was not only unwelcome, but actively dangerous. Moments where you shrunk yourself down, your needs, your light, your very presence, because it somehow threatened or inconvenienced someone else. Moments where you were absolutely compelled to stay, to endure, when every single cell in your body was screaming for you to run. Your current emotional pain, the heartbreak you feel right now after a toxic relationship ended, did not start there. It's critical to understand that your pain truly began in the environment where you first learned what to call love, the environment that shaped your attachment styles. Trace the origin of your pain. We look at the roots, not just the leaves. We explore those early lessons in childhood trauma healing. Understand how those first lessons shaped your adult behaviors, why you choose who you choose, why you stay when you should leave. Identify the survival version of you. We name the protective self that you created, the pleaser, the fighter, the silent one, so you can finally thank it and retire it. Release the patterns that are actively sabotaging your adult life, the fear of abandonment, the self-blame, the cycles of toxic relationship recovery. And finally, rebuild the self who should have been nurtured from the very beginning, the true you who is inherently valuable and deserving. This is your personal, private, healing journey. This is your chance to do the inner child healing work you've always known you needed. You won't just heal. You will meet yourself for the first time. Not the broken you, not the survival you, the real you, the one underneath the heavy weight of all that original pain. So, who is this journal really for? This is for the person who looks in the mirror and says, I honestly don't even know who I am anymore. It's for the heart that whispers, this pain fundamentally changed me, and I don't know how to go back. It's especially for the one who wants to love again, to find safety and connection, but who doesn't yet trust themselves to choose right. It's for the woman who has carried the heavy burden of self-blame for every failure. It's for the man who was told that vulnerability was weakness and that true men never cry. It is for that innocent child trapped inside a grown body who is still begging for the basic dignity of safety and peace. Gathering My Pieces is for every heart that is simply exhausted from surviving and is finally, truly ready to begin living. Now, a word on urgency. Your healing journey doesn't wait until you're feeling inspired. It starts with a single, deliberate decision. The wait list for Gathering My Pieces is open right now, and you absolutely want to be the first in line. Those on the waitlist receive 3 things you won't get otherwise. Early access. Be the first to start this crucial work. A special discount on launch day as a thank you for your commitment. Exclusive bonus healing resources that will help you start the process today. When we launch, you want to be there, not later, not when things calm down, not when I feel ready. You want to join now. Your well-being is not a luxury you can postpone. Healing doesn't wait, and neither should you. Take the step right now. Click the link in the bio and join the waitlist. Give yourself the ultimate chance to finally gather your pieces and become the whole, safe, and powerful version of you that the pain tried so hard to destroy. Your healing was never postponed. It starts now.